What's the meaning of breeches? Breeches. Breeches.
Breeches. Breeches. Breeches are a type of clothing that cover the hips and thighs, but leave the legs exposed below the knee. They were commonly worn in the past by men, especially for horseback riding or other outdoor activities. The word breeches comes from the Old English word brec, which means garment for the legs. Today, breeches are still worn by some equestrians and for historical reenactments. They can be made of various materials, such as leather or canvas, and may have reinforced patches in areas of high wear. In summary, breeches are a type of pants that cover the hips and thighs but leave the legs exposed, historically worn for outdoor activities.